Hello, my loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ash, and this is All That Ash. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you decide to subscribe. If you're not new here, thanks for coming back for another video. So I've been uploading almost every day, and it's pretty cool. So I'm like trying to get it in, you guys. I'm trying. Hop it. So today I wanted to do kind of like a Lizzo inspired makeup look, but for the moment, I'm actually going to do the 5-minute makeup challenge, and I'm like panicking. Do you guys realize how, like, do you see how fast I'm talking? I'm like, because I'm running out of time. I got to go to work. So I have the iPad here. I am going to put it on 5 minutes. It is already there. Kind of hard to see, but 5 minutes right there with the start button. I gotta wipe it off. Sorry, you guys. Just 5 minutes, okay? Period. So you guys will hear it. Make like a ding sound or something. I don't know what it's set on. But yeah, I don't even know how much I could get done in 5 minutes, to be honest with you. I have everything laid out right in front of me, so I don't know if that's cheating. But I had to be ready, okay? I'm trying to think if I ever really have to do this, you know what I mean? I only have like 5 minutes to get my face together. Like, well, I'm really gonna find out right now. So, pray for me. All right, you guys, let's go. I'm at 4 minutes and 36 seconds right now. It like kind of cut out for a second. Somebody tried to call me. Boo. Okay, so I'm gonna do just a quick natural brow. Nothing crazy defined. Just super freaking natural. Oh, I hope you guys are good today. Like I said, I just have to go to work right now. If you guys don't know, I work at a warehouse. I work for a company that moves freight, and it's pretty chill. I work at nighttime. I think you guys like obviously would have picked that up by now. But if not, then yeah, I end up doing the paperwork in the office. It's pretty chill. You know, I don't have anyone like breathing down my neck, like trying to make my day difficult. So it's kind of just more of like waiting around for the truck drivers from other states bringing freight to us. That really makes the difference. So, oh my gosh, I'm at 3.5 minutes and I haven't even freaking done anything to my face. Okay. Primer. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Yeah. So, I was thinking about doing a what to watch on Netflix video, because I like live for Netflix and Hulu and Amazon. Like, live, you guys, I'm not even kidding. And it's awesome. What is this doing? Okay, I have 2.5 minutes. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. But yeah, I wanted to do kind of like a what to watch on Netflix. Because I really spend a lot of time watching movies. I love movies. And I like playing movie trivia games. So I'm kind of like really excited to do a video on that, because I've been finding actually like a lot of good stuff to watch. So look out for that. My little brother Fatty, that you guys know, he actually said he would do a video with me, so I'm super excited. Where's my kids in there? He's adorable, and he is so handsome, so there's so many people that want to see him. And I can't wait, because he's gonna do my makeup, and the first thing he freaking said to me was, all right, so I'm gonna start with this highlighter, and I almost fainted. I was like, bro, if you make me look like a disco ball, we got problems. Like, that is not cute. So it was funny. Oh, I have 1.5 minutes. Oh my God. Oh yeah, there's no way. There's no way that I'd ever like survive if I had 5 minutes. my God. My mom's like in the room next door screaming at my son. Not like in a bad way, like she's just like, Ashton. I do that too. I sit here and like yell at my son. I'm like, what's up, baby? What's up? All right, so real quick, I'm going to do my face. And if this is all I could get done, you guys, I kid you not, like, I'd be happy. Like, how much time do I have? I have 5 seconds. All right. You guys heard it. So this is all I would be able to do in 5 minutes, but I'm okay with that. I live. My face should still last. Oh my gosh. I'm like literally sweating. That was like the quickest 5 minutes I have ever experienced in my life. I was literally panicking. Like, babe, how do I look? Right, for 5 minutes? For 5 minutes. I dig it. Yes. I didn't get to like set my face or anything. But here it is. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm literally sweating right now. Like, I'm dying. I can't even believe that. Well, I mean, my skin looks great. So I guess that's all I could hope for. And if I really just needed to get it together, this is it. I'm actually pretty pleased with the results. Yes, honey. Oh, all right. Ow. Fail. Ow. This is why I don't wear these big old earrings. My God, my ear almost came off. Did you see that? Ow. Okay, I'm done. All right, you guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed panicking with me, trying to see what I could get done. Because I didn't get anything done. But I actually am satisfied. I already had some chapstick on, so I mean, it's not like my lips are dry. And yeah, look fresh. I look awake. And I look all the same color, I feel. Hopefully. All right, you guys. Well, if you did like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I'm working on getting all of this stuff in the background taken care of, so don't you mind that, okay? I'll do like a room transformation stuff. I'm just waiting to move into the master bedroom. As you guys know, my mom's gonna be going to Arizona and stuff, so we'll see how that goes. But I hope you had fun with me. I'm literally like finally coming down. I was sweating so bad, like now I'm starting to like relax. Oh, all right, so now I'm gonna get into the next video that I'm gonna do, so stay tuned, you guys. But I hope you guys did have fun with me. I'm gonna like work on that 5-minute routine and then try this again in maybe like 2 weeks, something like that. So we'll see what happens. But if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe. I have a few more videos coming out, like I just said. So love you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.